Amazon's Prime Day may be over, but October 2025 deals are heating up fast. From smart home tech to kitchen must-haves, there's something for everyone this month. With discounts reaching up to 60% off, these offers are too good to miss. So stick around till the end. You might just find the gadget you've been waiting for. All mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 16. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. Save a tasty 25% on the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker, now down to just $150 from its original $200. This connected cooker takes the guesswork out of mealtime with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control, syncing to the Chef IQ app for guided recipes, videos, and real-time adjustments. A built-in scale measures ingredients perfectly, while auto pressure release keeps it safe and stress-free. Smarter cooking starts here, and this deal won't stay hot for long. Number 15. Smart Electric Kettle. Originally tagged at $80, the Gevi Smart Electric Kettle is now yours for just $64, a sweet 20% off. This Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-powered kettle lets you schedule boils, fine-tune temperatures from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and keep your brew warm for 2 hours, all through the app. Its 1,200-watt rapid heating and gooseneck precision spout make every pour perfect. Built from 304 stainless steel, it's smart, safe, and sleek. Grab it before the deal boils over. Number 14. Fit King Leg Massager. Now just $71 after a huge 45% drop from its original $130. The Fit King Leg Massager delivers spa-like relaxation straight to your home with 10 massage techniques, 2 modes, and 3 intensity levels that mimic real kneading and stroking. Its adjustable wraps fit calves up to 28.5 inches, making it perfect for anyone, from athletes to office workers. Say goodbye to sore legs and hello to all-day comfort, anytime, anywhere. Number 13. Portable Carpet Cleaner. Once tagged at $140, the Eureka Portable Carpet Cleaner is now down to just $90, giving you a solid 36% off and a cleaner home to match. This compact powerhouse tackles deep stains, pet messes, and everyday spills with its strong spray and suction system. Dual tanks keep clean and dirty water separate, while the 16-foot cord and 5.5-foot hose offer plenty of reach. Lightweight, portable, and powerful. Your carpets never had it this easy. Number 12. MEPTY Space Heater. At just $120 after discount, down from $300, the MEPTY Space Heater brings you a fiery 60% savings and fast, efficient warmth for any room. Its PTC ceramic heating and high-speed fan spread heat evenly in seconds, while 2 heat modes, a 24-hour timer, and quiet operation make it perfect for day or night use. With tip-over and overheat protection, plus a realistic flame effect design, it's the ideal mix of safety, style, and cozy comfort for winter. Number 11. AIPER Robotic Pool Cleaner. Save a cool 31% with the AIPER Robotic Pool Cleaner, now down to $520 from its original $750. This smart pool companion uses a quad motor system to tackle dirt, leaves, and debris while filtering up to 80 gallons per minute. With WavePath navigation and 4-wheel drive climbing, it scrubs floors, walls, and the waterline effortlessly. Powered by a 7,800 milliamp-hour battery for up to 150 minutes of runtime, it's like having a personal pool butler on standby. Number 10. Amazon Fire TV Stick. Originally priced at $50, the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K is now just $30, giving you a sharp 40% off on pure streaming power. Enjoy vibrant 4K Ultra HD with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos for immersive, theater-like viewing. With Wi-Fi 6, lightning-fast performance, and Alexa voice remote, you can stream, search, and even play Xbox games without a console. A small stick, massive entertainment, while this deal lasts. Number 9. Cordless Leaf Blower. Now at just $60, down from $140, the Vinchest Cordless Leaf Blower brings a massive 57% savings on power and performance. Packing up to 560 cubic feet per minute of air volume and 180 miles per hour of airspeed, it clears leaves and debris with ease. Dual 4.0 amp-hour batteries deliver up to 52 minutes of runtime, while its lightweight 5.5-pound design keeps it effortless to use. With 2-speed control and fast charging, this is your go-to for quick, cordless cleanup anywhere. Number 8. Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Scoring a 25% discount, the HOLICME Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit drops to just $15, down from $20, a small price for a major home upgrade. With a 15-foot reach, flexible rods, and a durable synthetic brush, it clears lint and debris deep inside your vents to boost dryer efficiency and prevent fire hazards. Use it by hand or attach it to a drill. It's the smart way to clean without the $150 service bill. Number 7. Coffee Mug Warmer Set. Coffee lovers, here's your moment. The Akago Smart Coffee Mug Warmer Set is brewing a hot 40% off, now just $54, down from $90. Enjoy your favorite drink at the perfect temperature with real-time control and 1 degree Fahrenheit precision from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Its auto on-off sensors keep things safe, while the 75-watt rapid heater saves energy. With a stylish ceramic mug, lid, and spoon included, it's the ultimate warm-up for your desk or gift list. Number 6. HOSPAN Collapsible Foot Spa. Once tagged at $110, the HOSPAN Collapsible Foot Spa now drops to just $70, giving you a relaxing 36% off treat for tired feet. With 6 sets of 3D Tai Chi massage balls, bubble therapy, and heat adjustable up to 118 degrees Fahrenheit, it melts away fatigue while boosting circulation. The magnetic remote, LED display, and foldable build make it both smart and space-saving, the perfect way to unwind without stepping out. Number 5. Provirtec 6-liter Humidifier. Now just $65, down from $110, the Provirtec 6-liter humidifier delivers comfort and clean air while saving you 41%. With dual clean technology, warm and cool mist modes, and a leak-proof one-piece tank, it keeps your home fresh and balanced all year. The auto humidity sensor, quiet sleep mode, and remote control make operation effortless, smart, silent, and efficient. This humidifier is your all-season essential for healthier living. Number 4. Gevi Espresso Machine. Save a bold 38% with the Gevi Espresso Machine, now brewing at $100, down from $160. Its 20-bar professional pump and 1,350 watts thermoblock system brew rich, aromatic espresso in seconds, while NTC temperature control ensures perfect balance and creamy froth. Compact, stylish, and easy to clean, it brings barista-level coffee straight to your counter. A cafe-worthy experience at a steal. Grab yours before this hot deal ends. Number 3. Bread Maker Machine. At $169 originally, the Bread Maker Machine is now down to just $100, giving you a tasty 41% saving on homemade goodness. With 17 customizable programs, it bakes soft loaves, gluten-free bread, cake, or even yogurt, all with one touch. The 2-pound capacity, 15-hour timer, and keep warm mode keep every bake fresh and fluffy. Simple, smart, and oh so delicious. Your dream bakery starts right on your countertop. Number 2. Nostalgia Microwave Oven. At $140 originally, the Nostalgia Mid-Century Retro Microwave Oven now drops to just $80, giving you a stylish 43% savings with a vintage twist. This 900-watt beauty handles quick, even heating through 8 preset cooking modes, plus auto start and delay timing for effortless meals. Its LED display keeps everything clear, while chrome accents and a retro finish add timeless charm to your kitchen. Modern power meets old school style, and the deal's heating up fast. Number 1. Immersion Blender. Save a solid 40% on the Immersion Blender, now slashed to $36 from its original $60. Powered by an 1100-watt full copper motor, It blends, chops, and purees effortlessly for smooth, creamy results every time. The variable speed trigger gives you total control, while the nylon blade guard prevents splashes and scratches. Easy to clean, comfortable to hold, and built for daily use. This kitchen essential is a deal worth scooping up fast. That wraps up our look at the best Amazon October deals of 2025. If you found something you love, grab it before it's gone. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing finds.